All right, folks, we got some new Milwaukee PackOut kits. All right. We saw these, actually, we saw some of them before, but looks like the prices come down a little bit. Um, some of them make a lot more sense now. We're going to kind of go over them. This is the 12 volt, all right, kit. And as soon as it loads, we'll take a look here. All right. So, a very weird price kit to kind of get to this 469, right? You know, the one-handed recip. It's usually like 119 to 129 bare tool for the fuel. But the kit is 159, 149 sometimes with a 4, a charger, and a bag. So 229 for the installation kit. All right, you're going to get 2 batteries. You're going to still get the soft case, charger, 2 batteries, and all 4 attachments. 229. The compact box, I believe, goes for $59. So right there, you're at 300. You know, 119, we'll say, for the one-handed recip. You're at like 419. 30 for the bits, 159, and then you got the Sawzall blades. Yeah, this is that kind of premium shockwave kit because you do get drill bits along with some double-sided bits. You get a socket adapter, 2 nut drivers, and of course it is the second generation of the shockwave bits. But the set includes some metal blades, 6-inch 14 TPI, 6-inch 24 TPI, and 5 TPI, all 6-inch. Then you get 9-inch blades, 18 and 5, and a hard case. So you kind of have everything for each tool, right? With the installation driver, they're giving you this nice shockwave set. All right. And for your recip, they're giving you some Milwaukee Sawzall blades. None of the, you know, big or the, the axe or the wrecker blades. But, 469, guys, not too bad. Again, you can probably put it together for just about the same price. This one is kind of weird, not only because of the price, but you get a 12 and a 6 with their new supercharger and a power source. $600. I'll pass. All right, this one is the one that ain't that bad. All right, now we know this circular saw. All right, this is the brushless. It's not the fuel, but usually goes for 179 bare tool. Right, so they're going to give you a 5 amp hour battery. You are still going to get a bag and a charger. So I don't know. Let's just say $259 for this kit. All right. They're throwing in a pair of $20 glasses. You should be at around, what I seem to be finding is if you do it yourself, you're probably going to be $20 less than these kits. All right. $259 plus 59, you're at, and let's just say $249. All right. $249 plus 60, you're at $310. Add $10 for the glasses, $320. All right. That's why, if that is true for the PackOut, but the same thing with that. Everybody has that impact driver already. It's cool that you get 2 3 amp hour batteries with the PackOut box. But $199 for that. Like I said, I was told that immediately, but I didn't really want to say it and get people's hopes up. I don't really know because they kind of have it. You can look up that kit here, and it comes with a set of shockwave bits, and it's like $379. So kind of weird. They do have a new shockwave duty set. So if you remember the first one, it had all 1-inch bits. All right, so now you're getting an adapter. Still, I mean, incredibly overpriced. The first one, I think it was at CPO or maybe it was OPT. They were actually going for like $40. All right. So this price will drop significantly because, 100 bits and a $29, PackOut low profile case. That's a little steep. A little steep. And they have the 3/8 just like last year. All right. SAE. And they're going to add $55 for an 8-piece screwdriver set. Last year, this was $119. They added a little bit of, little more money to the top. Let's put it that way. Now, you can also get your SAE this year. All right. But it's going to be $119. You're going to pay $20 more because you do get 4 more pieces. Or you can get both of them for $239. Here's another one with the compact toolbox. You're going to get the hacksaw and a 12-volt PVC pipe shear with some recip blades. Here's a 6. I'll have to hit it. This is probably all brushed. So just like the last couple years, they're going to throw this big one in for $499. All right, you are getting an impact wrench, a 3 and a 1.5. I mean, you're getting 6 tools. I would have liked the circular saw in here. But anyway, $499. And then they got some big boys in here. All right, here's a 6 tool, all brushed, $1,000. Here's a 6 tool for $1,050 with 2 3s, $948. $399 for 2 6s and 2 3s with a charger and a power source. $199. Wow, $200 for their way overpriced drill bits. A couple shockwave bit sets. You got that nice 6-inch adapter, though. Bit adapter. And you get the what are these called? The extraction up to 5 times. Hex titanium drill bits. 29-piece shockwave red helix titanium. So it's the 29-piece. So I think they charge what, $44 for that. Magnetic bit holder, all the different sizes. You get the 12-inch impact magnetic bit holder. And you get the extractors. Like I said, they're 1/4, 5 6 3/8, 7 16ths, and a 1/2 inch. And you get some countersinks, 6, 8, and 10. 199 smacks. But you do get it all in a nice PackOut box. Okay. All right. So, and that PackOut, the organizer, I don't know. What's it, like $44? Again, you're going to, like I said, with all these guys, probably cheaper to build it yourself. But if you want it all in one swoop, especially these organizer ones, they're kind of going to be organized a little bit better. This one probably has some sort of, you know, maybe plastic insert. Here's some tote stuff. Look at this for $175. I mean, it's great that they're doing this. And I said this around 3 years ago that it was just a matter of time before Milwaukee just adds so many different things with these PackOut boxes. It's unfortunate that we're seeing it through this type of season, right, with the pandemic and I don't know, tariffs, or because I'm sure they could have got these prices down a little bit. It would be a lot more exciting. But here you get those 2 pairs of gloves. All right, and you do get those goat skin gloves. You know, the box is $79. So again, I think we saw that kit, right? Where you get the glasses, the ear protection, the helmet. I think it was like $39.99. I don't know if it came with a vest. I can't believe that they sold 500. There's 534. I don't know how they did that, especially if it's new. They got some Big Hog carbide hole sets here. This is their top of the line stuff. And here you got a hole dozer set with that new Shockwave bit set. $949 for that. Whoa. Not even $2,000, man. We talked about that one already. All right, here's a 3-piece for $600. Metric ratchet and sockets. No, I don't know. Are those the ratcheting? This is $600, and you get a 3/8 ratchet. You get 27. You get the 56 sockets, and you get the 1/4" 50-piece, and then you just get your standard wrenches. So no ratcheting wrenches. And you get 2 boxes here, all for the price of $600. Again, we might see these prices drop, guys. Look at this one. See if these are some cool sets. It's just the price that kind of gets you a little turned off. I mean, look, even this one. This is the personal lighting kit. All right, you're going to get the new flashlight. You're going to get 4 batteries with 4 plugs. You're going to get the spotlight and a PackOut box. $249. I mean, this one's a great one. I mean, for the mechanic, I mean, but again, I did a video about this one, I believe, as well, right? And, you know, let's just say $249 or $299 for the stubby kit. So you're at $300 right there. The inflator we've gotten for $50, but let's just give it $79. All right, so we're $379. All right, the sockets, I don't know, 3/8. That's 50, 429, 439. The ratchet bare bones, what is that? 159. Yeah, I mean, again, it probably comes to, you know, again, this is all MSRP, right? We saw this light here, this 12-volt light. $50. We saw the inflator for $40. $800 is a lot for some 12-volt tools. All right. Here's your whole hog for $700. $479 for the brushless recip. And you do get blades. Again, look at this one. This is a great one, man. For the carpenter. It's called the woodworking kit. I think these are going to drop. Yeah, here's that kit, guys, that everyone says is $199. Again, I didn't really want to say it was going to be $199. And actually, the guy who sent me the picture, he works at Home Depot. I think I did that video like 2 weeks ago. But, even he was like, it's coming up $199. But, they want $400 for it here and $378 for it here. So just remove, the $20 bits. Hopefully, that would be great. But we'll have to see. It's funny that they don't have it without the shockwave bits. But look at this cool little woodworking kit. Now, I wish they would have included the brand new brushless oscillating tool. But you just can't make sense of this, right? It's the brad nailer, right? So $250. We saw the oscillating toolkit you can get right now for $100 with a battery. All right, so right there, $349. What is the orbital sander? $100. All right, $449. Add a tape measure, a pair of glasses, and a hammer. I don't know. But this is some good stuff, right? I think they're cool kits. And they actually have the plumbing hand tool set. Well, obviously, it's, I always wanted that hacksaw. I might try to get it. $199 for the 10-inch with a 16-piece hand tool set. The screwdriver set is the big part of it. I think it's on sale right now for $16. They're going to throw in $1 ink saw. I don't know, folks. These are them. Want to take a look? Take a look. All right, folks, we'll catch you.